Got an old door at home? Here's a game changer. Meet the brand new Smart Rim Lock, the easiest way to turn your old door into a smart one in seconds. Multiple unlock ways: palm vein, face recognition, passcode, card, plus optional temporary codes or remote unlock via app. Perfect for the wooden door of Airbnb, short rentals, or offices. Installation: super easy. Surface mounted, no cutting, no heavy modifications. Fast, clean, and efficient. And for your peace of mind, it auto-locks as soon as the door closes. No extra steps, just smart, effortless security. Upgrade your old door, live smarter, safer, faster.